Christmas time means gingerbread. Feeling nostalgic, I looked at a few I've made and other projects. Hi, and welcome to Yeti at Large. This is a channel focused on making the most out of what you have, no matter where you're at. Thanks for tuning in and helping out. This is the Christmas display at the Ritz-Carlton, Phoenix, Arizona, 1987. I was a pastry chef apprentice under Pierre Fauvet, the greatest pastry chef to walk this planet. Him and his assistant, Manfred Nimmervoll, seen here in the background rocking some great mustaches. All apologies, guys. We're at the Ritz-Carlton. The apprentice does most of the work, but the executive chef will design everything. I was very fortunate to get a help with this project. Those stained glass windows are gelatin painted with food coloring and then lights placed inside. Yes, we have a train station. Some of it's in French, some of it's in Deutsch, but all of it is 100% Christmas. The skills that you learn as a pastry chef in making decorations like this helped me graduate the program. Here I am with Chef Di Maria and my family in the ballroom at the Ritz. There's a very proud older sister and Chef Leonard. Thank you, guys. Moving forward, I use those skills to make other fun cakes. For Lowell Observatory, an inappropriate banana cake for an anniversary party, and a Grand Canyon wedding cake. You see the groom down there proposing on one knee by the big boulder in the river. Sold a lot of those Grand Canyon wedding cakes. They were kind of a hallmark and a signature item in my bakery. Making gingerbread can be a family affair, and it can be a heck of a lot of fun and a great way to celebrate the Christmas season. Years later, working as a contractor for a grocery store, they asked for a gingerbread using all their products, but something that reminded them a little more of the store. So we made them this, and it was a heck of a lot of fun. But I don't get credit for a lot of the design. It went to my number one assistant. My daughter was a fantastic art designer on this project. She worked with us for several days till we got this project done. Gingerbread's a great way to connect with friends and family and celebrate traditions from the past.